Hey everyone, today we're looking at a 2021 Harley Davidson Street Glide Special in the Arctic Blast paint scheme. It's got some beautiful angles, some really cool subtle honeycombing on the front of the fairing and the front fender. The wheels and the engine are blacked out. It's got those newer style engine guards up in the front. I love these. We've got the 114 cubic inch engine. Beautiful paint job all the way down the side, and this paint scheme is also numbered, so this is number 53 of 500 for the year 2021. Just awesome blue pearlescence all the way through the bike. The lines on the back. It's got the quick release already set up for passenger backrest. We have the Harley Davidson derby cover. Really nice grip on the shift lever. The paint is matched on the inside of the fairing as well. And miles on this bike are 1,478. Again, this is a 2021 Street Glide Special in the Arctic Blast. Come check it out. We are open for test rides 6 days a week.